vamos a mostrarle aquí el otro experimento. I'm just gonna set it up. Voy a armarlo ahora. I'm gonna add some dirt. Un poco de tierra. Cardboard. Un poco de cartón. Bit of paper. We'll place our pen. Now, a little bit more dirt, un poquito más de suelo. Un poquito de agua. A little bit of water. There's no drainage on this, by the way. Esto no tiene un drenaje. So that's why I'm not adding a lot of it. Okay. Por eso no estoy añadiendo un montón de agua. Just gonna add the wormies. There's only 5 worms that I'm adding here. That's it. So the idea of this experiment is to have this much of room. It's going to be this much of dirt, which is not a lot, but remember that it's only 5 worms. Voy a tener ese espacio, pero acuérdense que son solamente 5 gusanos. Then I made a hole in the lid. Hice un hoyo en la tapa. And then you use one of these hydroponic nets. Usa una de estas malla hidropónica. Because I use this for hydroponics and I intend to use it for that later too. So this is just an idea, I've never done it, but you put the net there. And then that net is almost in contact with the dirt. I'm gonna be adding there every certain time a special food and see and do like an experiment. Voy a añadir ahí un pedazo de comida especial para los gusanos. So right here, there's gonna be maybe a piece of banana, a piece of apple, you know, and see how those worms behave. And it's way more easy to control, to experiment, since I'm just starting with this. Es mucho más fácil de controlar y experimentar, porque son solamente 5 gusanos. So if I lose something, I'm just gonna lose 5 worms and not the whole batch, you know, todos los otros gusanos. So yeah, I'm gonna let the worms to adapt here first, see if it works. Vamos a ver si funciona. Okay, thank you friends. Nos vemos, gracias, chao.